Regina Daniels' mother, Rita Daniel, secretly married her young lover. Regina Daniel and her siblings refused to attend the marriage. My people, make una see wahala this wahala when e dey for ground so the thing e wear Hollandis. Before I go dey tell una wetin dey shele, make I first hail una, my correct people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, na true o. I know so many people don dey wonder whether this thing na true, say Rita Daniel don finally go settle down with Yoongi after he don carry Regina Daniel give old papa. My people, na true o. Na the same thing when me Lady G dey think o. The first time when I see the whole matter, I see where dem post the picture, I see am for one place, I see am for second place. Now I come open my eye where I come say e be like say I go shook mouth for this thing. E be like say this thing na true. I come go dey do more digging. Lo and behold, I come see am for different places. Say no be news again. Say Rita Daniel don finally settle down with Yoongi. My people, no be small thing o. As me I come dey see am for different places, now I come rush go her handle. My people, lo and behold, una know wetin I see for there. She come carry this kind thing, she come plaster and put for there. She come talk say true love wins. He come carry emoji wey be heart, he come add and join am. And on some few hours ago now she post am. My correct people, no be small thing o. The koko when e dey inside the matter now be say when e make many people be like say social media dey go gaga now, everywhere dey shake back and front as we dey talk now. Say Regina Daniel, Regina Daniel and her brothers, when they die, his siblings, none of them agree attend the marriage sake of say they no sign am with Rita Daniel at all. Many people dey even dey talk say this Rita Daniel, e be like say he don double cross. Yes, he don double cross, so he don scatter the deal when he with Regina Daniel get, in the sense that e be like say na Regina Daniel and this is mama wey they call Rita. Now they gather plan and say make Regina Daniel marry old papa when he reach to go join in ancestors for a village. Now when it reach time for her to settle down, she can't go look for Yoongi. My people, if I may ask, come carry my eye come down where I can't look the picture where. If una say make una look the picture where, my correct people, make una look and where that man, that guy, he not too young like that. He not too young. Make una look at now. He not too young, but if you say make you compare am with Nenduwoko together, na Yoongi, na him be for Nenduwoko side. Not be because say he too young, but for Nenduwoko hand, na Yoongi, na they go call am. I be lie, my people. My correct people. The thing when me I come dey see for inside now, many people come dey talk say this woman be like say he play Regina Daniel 419. And me now I come dey think and say the Regina Daniel self, he be like another person self when go see be like say he dey greedy. That is, he get big eye. That is, he eye too open, in the sense that you when be say that you be smally now you be almost second to the last born. How you want to command your mama say who he go marry and who he no go marry? My people, we don't forget say now Regina Daniel now be chief commander for their house. Now so we dey hear sake of say he marry billionaire. Then talk say anything when Regina Daniel talk, now then they do for their house. Anything when Regina Daniel wants, now then they do for their house. It can't be like say this time around now, the thing not can work for Rita Daniel head. When I know say Rita Daniel never married before. This one, that's it. We dey hear say even though say he born children for different men, but that's when they call marriage. She never really experienced. And if you now remember, Regina Daniel talk say papa self no get right who he marry, who he not marry when he not call in marriage, sake of say he not pay bride price on top in mama head, in the sense that he not marry mama. So all the men when Rita Daniel born for, he not marry any of them. And now this one be the first marriage when me I think say she they experience. I believe say I make am the thing be like say he dey shock am. Whether his children sign now, whether they don't sign am more, it be like say she not really care. Again, in the sense that when I know go fit tell me say the Rita Daniel say since all those time when he be say nobody they see am with man, you know who they carry waram. Maybe she won't do am officially. Yes, maybe she won't do am officially. My people, I dey believe say now the one me I dey think and so now they tell now I dey believe say as many people they drag Regina Daniel, mama now say now 419 now him play Regina Daniel. My people, no be say everybody they drag Rita Daniel say he carry Regina Daniel give old man, he carry and give Nenduwoko say he too old for him. Me I don't believe say Now because say they really like Neduwoko. I dey talk this thing right from time say now because of the money when Neduwoko gets, now he make Regina Daniel agree. Like say Neduwoko no get money, say Neduwoko say na farmer e really be as Regina Daniel dey claim, because she talk say when she know Neduwoko, she be say na farmer. Now last now she come see and say na billionaire na e be. Let's assume say that man na real farmer, and Rita Daniel come tell Regina Daniel say you must marry this man. This one na the man when he choose for you for life. Una think say Regina Daniel for gree? Make we talk the truth. Yes, we dey give Rita Daniel the fault since. Yes, the fault na two of dem hand na e dey. If una see initially Regina Daniel dey talk say he just love Neduwoko natural, not be this. All of them na story. When I dey talk and people go dey say make una mind una business. How person want to mind in business when e be say the business dey for public? The thing dey for public platform. Everybody business na e come be. Initially Regina Daniel dey flaunt, e dey fly private jet, e dey flaunt Lamborghini, Ferrari, different thing. But the person when he get am, we no know. Regina Daniel no dey flaunt Neduwoko, e dey shame, e dey hide am. Initially, if una watch out na last when Regina Daniel come like say e come born, abi when he get belle, now he come dey bring Neduwoko dey come out. Initially say for her handle sef, you no go to see Neduwoko picture like that. Now last when he come like say he don enter finish, there is nothing he can do, especially when he be say they don't take that juju join. She don't see and say she no fit throw leg anyhow. Now she can't just, they say if you can't beat them, you join them. Now Regina Daniel can't join them. So if you now watch at all the things when Regina Daniel they get for Neduwoko hand, apart from that house when Regina Daniel buy for her mama initially, when he just know Neduwoko, when they told her that she take her money buy am, when be say Regina Daniel not buy one house or you not buy one land, when all this why when be say she the arts movie, now when you can't just know Neduwoko, na billions can't just come, now just sharp, you just buy mansion for your mama. This Regina Daniel is a bit pem like sha. So my correct people, all those things when Regina Daniel they gain for Neduwoko, all those things when they get, we hear say most of the things not be Regina Daniel name, no be say they buy all of them. All those flashy things when they see most of them, Regina Daniel will come take and they do tontonri for everybody for social media. Now Neduwoko name dey all of them. Those ones when be say go be Regina Daniel personal things when be the gain when she they get inside the marriage, when he make her marry the one, when he take marry the old man, now him mama now they pack all of them they give. Anything when be say that is when be say go be on last now mama now they give, like that house now when he buy for him mama, now mama name now they say buy him. So indirectly now mama and Regina Daniel now get that house. So anything when don't give him mama, now that one be the gain when they inside. So anything when Regina Daniel don't get, it dey inside that Neduwoko house. Now Neduwoko name now they say buy him. If he be say Regina Daniel get as he be tomorrow, say with Neduwoko they can't share Gary things no waka again, Regina Daniel go waka comot, he go leave those things for there. So now I come like say him mama they do double crossing, because all these things when they go they, that is when he go they pile up for him mama side, when he go they keep in case nobody know anything, nobody know what if it happen tomorrow. Now my mama want go marry another guy, and if he come marry this guy now, indirectly this guy will come they enjoy all these things. My people, I never still get the message. Yes, I believe that one go make Regina Daniel the verse, make him mama make them not marry another person, because they don't want to make anybody come short their ration. Make una dey listen. That is Regina Daniel no want make another person come short their ration, because definitely it as this guy come inside the family now, this guy now not be millionaire like Neduwoko, not be billionaire at all. So now where mama Regina Daniel for chop, now there this guy go for the chop. So Regina Daniel and the brothers, they don't want anything like that. Okay, this same guy now when he be say Regina Daniel and the brothers, they no want make their mama marry now. Let's assume say as this guy come in now, he come be say this guy still just hold ground like Neduwoko, that is now complete billionaire now he be. Una think say Regina Daniel for tell mama make no marry am? Una think say Regina Daniel for tell mama make no marry am? Before we know itself, all this news won't come be say we dey hear now say Rita Daniel self say he don't marry now. Now Regina Daniel now for first share am for her handle, she for don't post all the picture, put all the video. Now trust Regina Daniel now. For don't they flaunt am up and down. Say another billionaire don't enter inside the family. But it be like say this guy now, he don't get finger wanted they scratch body like that. My people, tori plenty for ground. We still get many we will still carry cough now. So me myself, this now waiting me I dey think now make Regina Daniel no sign that marriage, because many people they drag mama Regina say this kind of thing when you do, you not do aware. He carry Regina Daniel go give Neduwoko when be saying an old man, and say if that is now she won't marry, now she go look for Yongi. Who she Yongi? This one are Yongi. I bet Moku forget story. This guy only young for when Neduwoko day, for where all of us day, both Lady G. This now another ancestors. Now she be. I be a lie. So if now they talk, many people they talk say now mama Regina now force Regina Daniel. Yes, mama Regina Daniel he no force am directly, indirectly na he force am enter inside the marriage, because as Papa Regina Daniel talk say he no get hand for inside the marriage o, say he wash hand comot for inside the marriage o, because say this man he too old, the age gap is too much for he pikin wey be Regina Daniel. As he wash hand comot, Mama Regina Daniel sef go talk say he wash hand comot o, see this Neduwoko he too old for his daughter, say him hand no dey. Only Regina Daniel no go carry himself go marry Neduwoko. Never, e no go possible, because mama no dey, papa no dey, you fall for heaven. Neduwoko sef go confuse. So for the fact say papa say he no get hand for inside, and the papa sef, make una no forget say this marriage, the papa no really bless am, because he no sign this thing right from time. So Mama Regina agree say since na wetin Regina Daniel want, in gree. Why I believe say she gree? Because of the pepper when he rest, because of the money when he dey, my people. If to say na fisherman, or whether na farmer, or na people when be say that they clean gutter, na in Neduwoko be, you no go even fit pass for where Regina Daniel for waka pass, not to talk of say you come dey tell am say whether he go marry am. So Mama Regina Daniel clap hand put 100%. Now that one be the blame when people they blame Mama Regina. Not be say he just carry Regina Daniel tie rope for a neck, he force her, as they do those days, as they think they marry our great grandmama that time, when they'll be say person go just come say now this one I be your husband, the person you don't know before, you don't know you before, you don't like her, no feelings, nothing. They go just push am, you go keep quiet. Zombie way na one way, you don't get wetin you go talk. Not be so Mama Regina take carry Regina give Neduwoko. Now two of them plan am, but then themselves when he plan am, they know say Neduwoko sef he don't old. How many times Neduwoko go stay again for this life? So anything when they get for Neduwoko na again, and Regina Daniel now go they pile them up for their mama hand. So maybe she just get that assurance say nothing dey happen. Now just more time make she sacrifice the time when she get with this man. When everything bless, everybody don't work out their own, he go suffer, go they enjoy things small. Now Rita Daniel now go carry another guy, totally another stranger. When he be say Pepper no rest for his side, not be say he get money, come enter inside. Definitely not that guy now with Rita Daniel go they know the finance and the things when Regina Daniel they give him. If Rita Daniel not agree with that guy, now go still see and say the marriage say no go last. Not be say na talk. Yes. So the Regina Daniel, they don't want. They just want that intimacy in between only them. You see their papa, see Regina Daniel papa, the way they take cotton off, because they don't want anybody when be say you can short their ration. Now Mama Regina now they go carry another person come. So this now the thing will make me, I believe, say Regina Daniel no want that person, not be because say you no want me mama settle down. If na person when he get money where Regina Daniel for not be problem for him. And Regina Daniel see be like one kind small girl when be saying they over pamper and spoil am. Anything when she want, anything when she talk, na in the rich. Now so we hear Regina Daniel get that kind small staging. Me I still call her. She get that small greedy spirit inside her body. The way she tell they do her things and the way I think they see her, in the sense that she just wants everything to herself the way she wants them. For example, if you see her for Neduwoko house, when he reached there now, he just all the other women when he just come in, she won't just cut all of them off. She wants all the attention only to herself. That means now person will be say they greedy small. You know they complete finish for this life. If you still get wait, that one are waiting she go get inside her body with waiting me they see. Yes, my correct people, I don't know how na say how na think am. Make una self just to throw na own comment below at the comment section. If update still dey this matter, I go carry and call for now. For me, I believe say this na the reason why make Regina and his siblings they no gree attend the marriage, because that man be like stranger when be say one can cut their ration. I be how na say am. Make una self just to talk una how I talk. So make una trouble now for the comment section. If more updates still dey this matter, definitely I go bring am for now. I bet make una not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if today na your first time when you come across my channel and you like my video, so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know, we fit dey miss am. And now when be my returning subscriber, my viewers, God go bless you and appreciate you. And I go see you now very soon. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.